So we're going to start with, we're going to do select data or data select cases. What I want to look for is I need to do the histogram for all three regions. So we're going to start with if region equals 1, region if 1, say OK. Then we're going to hit analyze and we're going to go to descriptive statistics, frequencies. I'm going to bring enrollment over to the right. I'm going to go to charts, histogram, show normal curve. Yep, okay. And then we're going to say okay. So you're going to see that there's 72 cases in there. Enrollment kind of looks a bit normal. I want to see what the other three situations look like, or the other two situations look like. So we're switching region 1 to region 2. Continue. Okay. Analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. Again, enrollment, we don't have to change anything, making sure that our charts say histo and show normal curve. Say okay. Again, it looks a little bit skewed to the left, but this is the normal distribution for region 2. And then we're going to do select cases. If region equals 5, say okay, and then say okay. Again, we're going to go to analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. Okay. We're going to get number 5. This one doesn't look that normal. Let's see what the next case is. Let's see what the next test has for us. So now I want to go through and I want to select data for all for the three regions that we're working on. So I'm going to go to if, and then I'm going to say region equals 5, or region equals 1, or region equals 2. What that'll do is that'll eliminate the region 3 and region 4 from it. And then I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to say okay. And that's done. So then I'm going to go to analyze, descriptive statistics, and explore. That's how I do the Shapiro-Wilk test. So the dependent variable is enroll, and then the factor list, I think, goes here. Let me see if that'll work. So for plots, I'm going to do a histo. I don't need stem and leaf. I don't want box plots. That's fine. But we do need to do this, the normality plots with tests. And shoot, I don't know. This isn't where I get the living results. Never mind. So, okay. So continue. And then I'm going to display both stats and plots. Let me see if there's anything interesting under options. There's not. Anything under statistics. There doesn't appear to be anything. Okay, so then I'm going to say okay. Okay, so some important stuff that I want to look at is this. The size of the n. For later, it's going to be important that that number is greater than 30. Region 5 is number 5, or region 5 is less than 30, so that's going to be a problem for us a little bit later. The Shapiro-Wilk, what we're looking for is the significance, and we need that significance to be greater than 0.05. So we're finding that significance is very, very small, but not being, it's not greater than 5. So 1 and 2 are not normal, but significant for, it is significant for region 5. That is greater than 0.05. We're looking at histograms for region 1, region 2, region 3. Wow, that was a bit easier than what I just did in the video earlier. So there we go. So next up, we're going to analyze, we're going to compare means and proportions. We're going to do a one-way ANOVA. I already did this, but I'm redoing it anyway. Dependent list is going to be enrollment region. Again, we have blocked out regions 3 and 4, or we've only selected regions 1, 2, and 3. Let's see if there's any interesting options here. I want the homogeneity of variance test. That's fine. I want to look at post hoc. Okay, so we talked. One of the videos in the assignments talked about Tukey, but we're actually doing a different test because equal variances are not assumed. Or no, I'm sorry, normalcy doesn't exist. So regions 1 and 2 don't appear to be normal. Then I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to say okay. So stop that. Like 5 seconds ago, I said something about doing the Tukey test because we weren't looking at normal. But it's actually because the n is not the same across the board. So n needs to be the same across the board to do the Tukey. So I did the SIDOC. Anywho, okay, so we're seeing that the significant for enrollment based on the mean is less than 0.001. Again, we're looking for that number to be greater than 0.05. So it is not. So hold on. Because it is less than 0.05, we're going to say that equal variances are not assumed. That was what I blanked out on. On our screen here, so there is not a significant difference in enrollment between the regions. In APA style, I report this as F equals 2.957 with a p-value of 0.055. Since p is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. The eta square value of 0.036 indicates a small effect size, meaning the difference is important but modest. It's not negligible. It's in that small effect range. Thanks.